Mighties, and today I'm going to be taking you around my day because I have a couple of things that I want to do today. So I'm currently making chai tea because chai tea is my favorite kind of tea. And I love chai tea. And someone just put like salt in my tea or something. And we just went to Chuck and Don's because after we got our kitchen a couple months ago from the Humane Society, we got a bunch of free coupons. So we have like a bunch of stuff, like food and a ton of toys. And now we're going to Barnes and Noble, and then Whole Foods. And I'm hungry. Bye.
Yeah, fancy.
Okay, so we're back from like a 6-mile bike ride, which doesn't sound like a lot, but I haven't biked in like 6 months, so it was hard. But we had a bunch of free coupons for Chuck and Don's from getting Rosie, so we got this food, some treats, a cover for your can, a can. Does that even fit? Does it? Yeah, okay, good. A nasty pooper scoop, but it's a cat, and some lemonade at Whole Foods, and it was a fun time. I'm just gonna watch some TV right now, I think, and I'll see you guys later. Today is Saturday, by the way. It's March 23rd, I think. My spring break is in a week, and I'm really looking forward to that. A little later, I might like clean my room because it's not that messy, but it's kind of messy. I don't really have much homework to do. I don't have any homework to do, actually. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so I've probably been at this whole cleaning thing for like 45 minutes probably, and I think I'm done for the most part for right now. It looks really like a lot better than it did before. Ignore my speaker. But here's my bed. My dresser looks really good. My bedside table is clean, and my room overall, it's a lot less cluttered. As for my closet, like I organized the drawers and moved some stuff, but it really doesn't look that much better. I really need to paint the walls in here. That would be a big improvement. I think I'm just gonna organize my art cart and then be done for the day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe by clicking that big red button down below. And I'll see you next Sunday for another Mighty Sunday. Bye!